There is no denying the importance of video conferencing for businesses and organizations worldwide. But did you know that video conferencing API and SDK setups, better known as programmable video, are the silent powerhouses behind the seamless platforms? Could they be the right step for you and your business? Let's explore the many ways API or SDK providers work. One of the most ignored benefits of implementing video conferencing API is that you can pick and choose features you want. The menu might consist of the following: two-way video, one-way video, audio conferencing, file and screen sharing, chat, recording, advanced features. You can select the one that's best for you or choose them all. Depending on your provider, video APIs are usually priced according to participant streaming minutes, while others use minute bundle. It's best you get all your facts straight concerning pricing before you make your final selection. We understand the struggles that come with using programmable video, especially since you will be using something with an unfamiliar design. The best providers will make the process easier for you by providing usage examples and guidelines. If dependable customer support is also available, even better. Today, one of the most coveted capabilities of any piece of functional technology is its usability across platforms. So if you want to build a video-first app, you'll need to ensure it can support a good number of browsers and platforms. It will give you the foresight to plan ahead in terms of time, manpower, and cost. The average video conferencing API is not equipped to handle browser and platform updates seamlessly. As with browser and platform differences, fully featured APIs will be able to handle periodical updates way better than their low-level versions. That will mean fewer headaches for your tech team. So, are you getting a fully featured API or a low-level version? Your choice of the two will determine your update capabilities. Not all APIs are created equal. You know that by now. That means that not all of them support high-quality video, especially with poor bandwidth connections. So, you have two options: setting up an API built with quality benchmarks that adjusts the live video streaming accordingly, or setting up a high-level API that's able to handle bandwidth fluctuation effectively. Choose wisely. You must consider the UI and layout when looking for a video conferencing API to adopt as your own. Some programmable videos and API providers will offer you UI kits while others won't. A comprehensive or high-level API will take care of all the UI code and component updates. Others might even allow you to customize the UI using standard designer-friendly CSS and JavaScript. So be sure to pick up the right one. The other important thing to consider when shopping for a video conferencing API is the data formats and programming languages used. Extensible markup language (XML) formats are commonly used for APIs in the past, but with time, JavaScript Object Notation (JSON) became the preferred data format because it's lighter, easier to write, and of course, simpler to read. It's built on the popular JavaScript programming language. That makes JSON one of the best options, if not the best option. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, HIPAA, is a United States federal law that pushes national standards to protect sensitive patient health information from being disclosed without the patient's consent or knowledge. HIPAA compliance ensures apps adhere to the standards that define lawful use of data and protect the disclosure of health-related information. It is regulated by the Office for Civil Rights, OCR. Therefore, you must consider HIPAA compliance when planning to implement any healthcare-related API or SDK that will involve US residents. Video conferencing offers services online, making the transfer of private data inevitable. So it goes without saying that broken, unprotected, or easily hackable APIs can be dangerous and cause significant data breaches. So, while looking for the best video calling API and API providers, consider the ones with the cleanest track record. Try TelebuBlocks today to get started with ready-to-deploy video conferencing APIs and SDKs for your organization.